Good morning, children. This is Shrivalsu speaking. Children, we have been dealing with a chapter, very interesting chapter, that is about square and square roots. So here in this video, children, we will discuss about some very important questions of exercise 6.1. I'll start from question number 2 because question number 1 has already been explained. Children, question number 2 is about the following numbers are obviously not a perfect square. Give reasons. Children, we know which numbers are called perfect square number. Perfect square numbers are 25, 36, 49, 64, then 81. These numbers are perfect square number. Why these numbers are perfect square number? Because if you make root over 25, answer will be 5. If you make root over 36, answer will be 6. If you make root over of 49, it will be 7. If you make root over of 64, it will be 8. If you make root over of 81, answer will be 9. Because these are the perfect square numbers. That's fine. That's okay. We know that. Now the question is something else. Question is the squares of this which are the following which number which are obviously not a perfect square. Suppose children 1057, then 23453, then next number is 7928. All these numbers, more are there. These numbers are not perfect square. We have to give the reason why. Children, there are some rules of being perfect square. What are those rules? The numbers which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8, such numbers, the numbers which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 like this, they can never be a perfect square. The numbers which ends with 2, last digit is 2, then 3, then 7, then 8, these numbers are never be a perfect square. They cannot be a perfect square at all. For an example, suppose I am saying 42, last digit is 2, it can never be a perfect square. Suppose I am saying a number 73, last digit is 3, it can never be a perfect square. Suppose I am saying 97, last digit is 7, it can never be a perfect square. Suppose I am saying a number is 128, last digit is 8, it can never be a perfect square. So the numbers ends with 2, 3, 7, 8, etc. They are not a perfect square at all. That should be kept in mind. Okay. So as we all can see, 1057, the last digit is 7, so it's not a perfect square. Next number is 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Last digit is 3. It can never be a perfect square. Okay. Next is 7928. This number can never be a perfect square because last digit is 8. Next number 4 is 2222. 22. So last digit is only 2. So it can never be a perfect square. So I believe it's clear to everyone, children. Some general rules are to be applied. So these numbers are not a perfect square number. Now, children, the next number is 64000. Okay. Whether this number is a perfect square number or not. We know that it's not a perfect square number. The number which ends with odd number of zeros. This number ends with odd number of zeros. There are 3 zeros. That can never be a perfect square. So as it's having last 3 digits are 3 zeros, it can never be a perfect square number. Okay, children. Now, next is what? 89722. 89722. 722. It's not a perfect square because last digit is 2. Next is what? 222000. This is also not a perfect square because last digit is odd number of zeros. So it's not a perfect square. Next is what? 50505050. 505050. Last digit is 10. So 10 means 1 is an odd number. So 10 is an odd number. So it's not a perfect square number. So these are things which is to be kept in mind, children. Okay, I believe it's clear to everyone. One rule which has not been said over here that I'm giving from myself, children. The numbers which we divide by 3 and we get the remainder 2. For an example, 23. I want to divide this number with 3. 3 sevens are 21. Remainder is coming 2. So when we divide a number with 3 and we get remainder 2, that number is never a perfect square. Never be a perfect square. 23 cannot be a perfect square at all. When we divide a number with 3 and we get the remainder 2, when a divisor is 3 and remainder is 2, that number is never be a perfect square. That can never be a perfect square. So I believe it's clear to everybody. Now children, a question, that is question number 4. Question number 3. The square of which of the following would be odd numbers? 431 square, whether it's an odd or even. Children, we don't have to solve it. Just multiply 431 and 431. The first ones place digits. 1 ones are 1. When we divide 431 with 431, the first digit we get, that is 1. Okay, so of course last digit is 1, matlab it's an odd number. Of course the whole number will be odd number. Suppose a number is 2826. Okay, 2826 square means 2826 into 2826. So if I multiply these two numbers, the first digit will be of this product will be 6, because 6 6 is 36. I'll get the first digit as 6. So the whole number will be even because I'm getting the first digit 6. So children, there is nothing to solve. We have to just check it out by we have to do it mentally. We have to try this out mentally and we have to write the answer. That's all. I believe it's clear to everyone. Please do solve all the questions of question number 2 and 3 and do submit in the Google Classroom. Try out on your copy and do submit in the Google Classroom. If there is any if there is still any doubts or confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much everyone.